Python sets are collections of unique elements, ideal for operations like union, intersection, and difference. They are unordered and mutable, making them efficient for membership testing and eliminating duplicates. Practical applications include data deduplication and fast membership checks. Visual examples will illustrate these concepts, enhancing understanding and application in real-world scenarios. Python sets are a fundamental data structure, offering a unique way to handle collections of distinct elements. This chapter will delve into their properties, practical uses, and how they integrate mathematical set theory with programming efficiency. A Python set is a mutable, unordered collection of unique elements, automatically eliminating duplicates. It requires immutable elements and supports dynamic modifications, blending mathematical set theory with programming efficiency. Sets are ideal for operations needing distinct values, as they lack index-based access and ensure elements remain unchanged. Sets offer automatic deduplication, instantly removing duplicates to ensure data integrity. They excel in data cleaning where uniqueness is crucial. With O1 average time complexity for operations like add and remove, sets are efficient for large datasets. Their support for union, intersection, and difference operations simplifies complex data analysis tasks. Visualizing set uniqueness highlights how sets transform a list with duplicates into a collection of unique values. For example, converting 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 removes duplicates. This automatic filtering is crucial for data normalization, ensuring integrity and simplifying data management. Creating sets in Python involves using curly braces to enclose elements, like fruits equals open curly brace apple, banana, cherry close curly brace. Alternatively, the set function converts iterables into sets, removing duplicates, as in from list equals set open bracket 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 close bracket. Remember, empty sets require set open parenthesis, since curly braces creates a dictionary. Set elements must be immutable types. Creating sets in Python can be done using curly braces or the set constructor. Curly braces enclose elements, while set converts iterables, removing duplicates. Remember, curly braces creates a dictionary, not a set. Set elements must be immutable, like strings, numbers, or tuples, as mutable types like lists and dictionaries are not allowed. Creating sets in Python idle showcases automatic duplicate removal and flexibility. From a list with duplicates, set numbers list yields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sets can include various data types like mixed set 1, hello, 3.14, 1, 2. Observe unordered nature in fruits. Apple, banana, apple, cherry, resulting in ha banana, cherry, apple.